Okay, I have another lock from Adrian in Spain. It's a Ezcurra. It's a 5-pin. The lock does work. Got a little hang in it every once in a while for some reason, but the lock is working. It is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. When you're setting these pins, sometimes your pick will hit 2 pins at once and set both of them, especially that number 4 and 5. I believe this lock only has standard pins in it. Does not feel like it has security pins. We're going to use bottom of the keyway, and let's just start at the front. Let's reset it. It just sometimes it just does not give you any feedback at all for some reason. Okay, there's pin 1. Pin 2. Okay, there's pin 4 then. See if we get under pin 5. Okay, there it is, open on pin 5. Okay, let's open it up, look at the pins. I really think it's just standard pins in it. Doesn't act like any type of security pins. So, see if we can get this clip off. Okay, let's lock it back up until I get the clip off. Okay, there it is. Alright, let's see if we can slide it out. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the top pins first. Alright, that's just a standard pin with a hole in the center of it for the spring to fit into. And this one's the same way on pin 2. Pin 3 is the same. Let's get the springs out of the way. Pin 4 is the same. Pin 5 is the same. So they're all just standard pins, and the same thing in the bottom, I'm sure. Standard. It's a standard. Standard. And standard. So all this lock has in it is standard pins. The pin chambers in the plug is wobbled or worn some, and there has not been anything to the Bible It's just all standard drilled. So that's what we have in this Ezcurra, is just all standard pins. But as you can see, they have a hole drilled out in the top pin for the spring to fit into. I guess because they made the lock so small, so they put the hole in the top to make it so they're all standard pins with a hole drilled through it. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again.